In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror text in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a creative and unique touch to your designs in Canva, mirroring text can be a fun way to do just that. We'll walk through each step so you can achieve that mirrored effect with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Canva design where you have the text that you want to mirror. Once you've got that ready, you'll start by locating the Share button on the upper right corner of the Canva toolbar. Give that a click and a menu will pop up offering different options to share your design. Next, from the Share menu, you'll see an option to download your design. Click on Download to proceed. Once you've done that, a download settings window will appear. Here's a crucial bit. Ensure that your file type is set to PNG. This is important because we need high quality images for this process. After selecting PNG, it's time to hit that download button again to save the image onto your device. Now, with your downloaded image ready, head back to Canva and click on the Uploads tab in the side toolbar. This part of the process entails getting your newly downloaded image back into Canva. Go ahead and click on Upload Files and select the PNG image you just downloaded. Once uploaded, your image will appear in your Uploads panel. Now you'll want to drag the uploaded image onto your design canvas and resize it to match the dimensions of your original text. This step involves a bit of adjusting and playing around, so take your time to get it just right. With your image in place, look for the flip option in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Clicking on flip will give you the choice to flip your image vertically. This is the critical move where your text becomes mirrored. Select flip vertical and you'll instantly see your image transform into a mirrored version of its former self. The final touch is all about adjusting. Make any necessary adjustments to position your mirrored text exactly where you want it on your design. This could mean nudging it slightly or fine-tuning its size. And there you have it, you've now successfully created mirrored text in Canva. This simple technique can add a visually arresting element to your designs, making them stand out and appeal to your audience. Keep experimenting with different text and try out new design ideas. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing with Canva!